In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text appear behind you in videos. To follow along, open CapCut on the web or in the app. Start by creating a new project and set the canvas to 9:16. That's the vertical format used by most social platforms, and it keeps your framing clean on mobile. If your clip was shot horizontally, you can still choose 9:16 and reposition the video later. Next, add your video to the timeline. Give it a quick trim so you're working with the exact section you plan to use. Now add a text layer. Type the words you want to appear behind you, and move the text roughly where you want it to live in the frame. This is the fun part. Make your own design. Choose a font that matches your style, adjust the size so it's readable on small screens, and pick colors with enough contrast against your background. Consider a subtle outline or drop shadow to separate the text from the scene without making it look heavy. You can tweak letter spacing and line height for a tidy professional look. Take your time here. Small refinements in alignment, spacing, and placement make a big difference. If you want extra pop, add a glow. Keep it soft and restrained. The goal is to add separation, not create a neon halo that steals attention from you. A slight blur and moderate intensity usually look best. When that first design pass is ready, export the video. This export becomes your background plate with the text baked in. Now, make another project and import the exported video as your main track. Then add an overlay and choose your original, unedited clip as the overlay layer on top. Fill it in so the overlay perfectly covers the frame and matches the length of the base track. Take your time to align things so your position in both clips matches. Here's the key idea. By placing the original video on top, you can keep yourself in the foreground while the text remains on the layer underneath, creating the behind you effect. If your editor offers a cutout or remove background option on the overlay, enable it so only you remain visible. This lets the text on the lower layer show through naturally. Fine-tune the edges and feathering for a clean blend. Play everything back and make small adjustments to timing, position, and styling until it looks seamless. That's it. Your text now appears behind you, clean and convincing, and you're ready to share your video with confidence.